Okay, so I have installed it now with the bolt, the cap nut from the other uh, light fixture. So it's completely installed now except for the silicone that I'll install a different day. But basically we're ready to try it out now, and then once it works, then we can remove that suspension string, the temporary suspension string that I added. So yeah, at this point I'm ready to try it out basically. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's just starting to turn dark, so we'll turn on the panel and then you see what it looks like. And notice how it is dark here, so you can't really see the street light number, and it gets even worse when it gets even darker. But basically this new fixture should make it easier to see the street number, because it'll throw light on it. So let's go ahead and turn on the panel again. Yeah, let's turn it on. Okay, and I can already see that the light is turned on. Yep, it has turned on and it looks pretty good to me. That's what it looks like with the lights turned on, and definitely the street number is noticeable. You can notice the difference between the light on the left. It's got this dark cone, and the one on the right throws ample light on the street number of the home. So that's good. And basically at this point we can just remove that suspension string that's holding the that was used to hold the light temporarily up. And I tied 2 knots to it, so hopefully it should be easy to remove because it's plastic also. There we go. I think it's coming off. There, it comes off easily. There we go, and voila, it's nice mounted well. I think all that remains is now to add that bead of silicone around the edges so that water doesn't get in and it makes it watertight. And I think, yeah, we're done with this part, and I'll replace these other 2 on a different day.